So, I had been exploring various LLM based benchmarking for financial models. So, I want to ask a direct question to you guys. Can LLMs actually reason through a financial spreadsheet? We know that AI models can answer questions and even do math. For example, if I say the complete revenue is around 100 million for a company and 60 million were the cost and 20 million were the expenses, what is the net profit of the company? So AI could do math for this: 100 minus 60 minus 20. It would be around 20 million USD. So, but the financial reasoning is a little bit different. Imagine giving a AI a huge financial table and asking it to find a few numbers, understanding what they mean, apply a formula, and then combine several calculations to get a final answer. How do you actually test whether the AI can do that reliably? For the example I gave you, it was quite simple and evident, but here that's what we are trying to figure out using this paper called the FILLM. So it's a verified financial LLM reasoning benchmark, which is like instead of humans manually creating thousands of questions and answers, the researchers start with synthetic financial spreadsheets. Then they turn the numbers into something called as a computation tree, if you can see here. And yeah, for example, if the revenue minus cost minus expenses equals operating income, that tree is then converted into a natural language question because the answers calculated directly from the tree, they automatically know the correct answer. The really interesting part is they can control how difficult the reasoning is. One calculation might be easy, but then they can make the AI perform four, maybe six, or even eight reasoning steps. And as the reasoning gets deeper, the model starts to struggle. So, for example, in this scenario, Gemma 31 billion parameter went from 85% accuracy at 6 steps to just 55% at 8 steps. And when the researchers changed the units in the financial tables, its accuracy dropped to 98.4% to just 3%. So, like after going through and reading this or the paper, giving different scenarios, my conclusion or takeaway is LLMs can calculate, but reliably reasoning through complex, messy financial data is still really hard. And it doesn't mean that the more number of steps, the more number of accuracy is completely wrong, which I used to believe before reading this paper. And yeah, VFILLM gives this researchers a way to calculate, measure that. So it's a good read, and I would recommend that to everyone. Thank you.